Are you aware that your child's eyes may be suffering from myopia? The number of children with myopia is increasing throughout the world. The widespread use of smartphones, computers, and tablets has led to an unprecedented strain on children's eyes. Is your child watching TV or reading books up close, or squinting their eyes when looking at objects? The number of nearsighted people in the world is increasing rapidly, and it is estimated that about half of the world's population will be nearsighted by 2050. The major problem with myopia is not only the inconvenience of not being able to see well, but also the greatly increased risk of eye diseases that can lead to blindness. The risk of eye disease due to myopia progression is 3 times higher for glaucoma, 13 times higher for retinal detachment, and 845 times higher for myopic macular degeneration for those with high myopia, -6 diopters or higher than for those without myopia. Most myopia is caused by elongation of the length of the eye, ocular axis length, but myopia, elongation of the ocular axis, cannot be cured once it has progressed. Therefore, in order to reduce the risk of future eye diseases, it is important to take measures as early as possible to prevent further progression.
Myopia is a very common condition that we see day in, day out. But the prevalence of myopia, or what we call short-sightedness, is increasing. So it's very important for us to actually pay attention to this myopia. It's not just a condition that we should do correction only, but we have to see how we going to prevent myopia from becoming high power. Why? Because high myopia is associated with this ocular condition, which will affect the quality of life of individual and affect the productivity of a community. And this can be done to spend more time outdoor or minimize the time spent on like smart devices, etc. So in order to overcome this or preventing myopia from becoming high myopia, there are different approaches or interventions that we can actually adapt. So for example, you can go consider autokeratology lenses, multifocal soft contact lenses, or specially designed spectacle lenses. So you can consult your eye care practitioner to evaluate which option is the best for you or for your kid's eye. And through these devices or through this strategy, we can actually prevent children from developing high myopia. And the condition is not just to do visual correction only, but it can do myopia control to prevent kids from developing high myopia.
I am an ophthalmologist and the mother of 2 children. Being nearsighted myself, I understand the risk of myopia. To protect my own children from myopia risk, my daughter received myopia control treatment at my clinic. It is truly rewarding to see visible results of the treatment firsthand. As an ophthalmologist and mother, I consider it my mission to provide treatment and protect the vision of as many children as possible.
For those who are concerned about your child's eyes or would like to know more about myopia and myopia progression control, please feel free to contact our clinic.